Happy Women's Day to all of you, all the ladies, all the students who are sitting over here. And it takes me and gives me an immense pleasure that since 2018 we started Ayurvedic and homeopathy in these institutions. And it always makes us feel proud because when even we started the engineering, at that time we were the pioneer of the Junagadh district, not only in Junagadh, but Junagadh, Porbandar and Amreli, we were the pioneer at that time. And same history is being repeated that we have started Ayurveda and homeopathy. We are again the pioneer of the district. No one has still started. Now people are planning. But 3 years back in 2018, we started the Ayurvedic and homeopathy. What I want to tell you students, that you are in that profession where not only just money that is going to give you the satisfaction, but the blessings of the patients, those who will come to you, the way you will handle it, and the way they'll go back again with their smiling faces will give far more satisfaction than in terms of money. Make sure those who comes to you, it's not just the apron that you are wearing on your body or that you have kept with yourself. It's a responsibility that you have wear on your shoulders. Make sure that never ever you do such things that those responsibilities get spoiled. Make sure that whoever comes to you, I had read and I have seen somewhere there, one of the famous doctor of India, Dr. Devi Shetty, if anyone who has heard the name, he is a cardiac surgeon who lives in Bangalore, and he told that the patients, when they entered in my office, when they come to see, they tell their problems at that time, the first thing that I do is that I take their hand in my hand, put my another hand on their shoulder, and first thing that I do is that I give them a concern that don't worry, I'll take care and I'll do my best as much as I can. This is the first thing that each and every doctor should learn. This is the first thing which you should, and this is the way with how you behave with your patients, and this is what we will be teaching you here. Apart from your syllabus and curriculum, all these things will be taught in these institutions. What we need to learn is that Mother Teresa, she was not an Ayurveda, studied Ayurvedic or homeopathy or anything else, but a power of touch, simplicity and an attitude to do something good for others. She must have cured so many people in the world wherever she could have been, and even without, I don't know what degree she had, but she had an ability to solve the problems and to see their patients and to cure them. She did a phenomenal work in the field that she was, right? We all need to learn the same thing. You are in a field where new technology has appeared now since many years, that modern medical has taken place. Otherwise, we used to know that earlier, and I have been giving these examples as many times with the students of this Ayurvedic and homeopathy wherever I meet them. And in this, from the same podium, I have told the same thing. Earlier we know that when modern medical was not available, people used to go to the Veds and they used to handle this is how they used to recognize, and their recognition, their perfection, their suggestion used to be in 100% authenticated suggestions. So you belong to that Ved community, you belong to that department where you have to take care of the patients physically and mentally. You have to ask them to be calm. We are there for you. And this is what you have to learn in this institution. I am very much proud to tell you, I don't know the particular name of the patients, but we know that so many patients that we have taken care of in this institution. For 1 year, for more than 1 year, for 2 years, we have some of the patients who even can't walk, who even can't go from their bed to the toilet, they even can't get up from their bed. And entire team of the students, faculties, doctors, our Ayurveda team, they all have taken care, and we have such a phenomenal results that we have given that those patients started walking and they are doing very good in their life right now. This is the achievement that we have achieved in these institutions. I thank entire team of Ayurvedic department. During the time of COVID, so many camps has been done by the homeopathy department. So many camps we have given medicines by going door to door. Our students and our faculty members have been door to door and explaining the terms and all those things. What are the things that you have to take care of? How you can protect yourself in these situations. All those things was being guided by our homeopathic department, and so many camps that we did. We have reached many of the students and individuals and the families where we could. So not only just we are giving you an education in the classrooms, but we believe that noble cause that we do, this is what you are going to learn during those times. We have told our students that you are in the medical field. You are at the stage where whenever it's required, you should be there in the front and you should be helping to others. Don't think that if COVID gets us, then what we are going to do, and don't worry about that. Those warriors, those doctors who are taking care in the big hospitals, they are also giving their life at risk. So whenever you get chance, you should also help to those people where you can. And yes, we did it. We helped so many individuals and the families. We have been to each and every places and we have explained the importance of Ayurveda and homeopathy. And during this situation, not only just in India but all over the world, people have now, especially in the situation of COVID, people have now started recognizing and understanding the value of Ayurveda, the value of homeopathy. These things has been changed in this new generation. You all students, make sure that you work with your goal, with your target. It's a college life. You have the best time that you can in this campus. The campus was empty when students was not there. We wish that you have all the facilities that we can give you, the best ones. Have the best time in the college that you can spend, but at the same time, make sure that you become such doctors where the patients would not allow anyone else to see and to look into their body apart from you. That achievement, if you can do, doesn't matter whatever the result is. Every time it's not possible that a doctors can do the miracle, but they are doing miracle. At least by taking your visit, your patients should go with a smiling face, and the attitude of a doctor gives an 50% recovery to their patients. It up to you. Make sure that those patients are coming to you. They think at that time they are not going to any of the single temple because they don't know any other god than the doctor with whom they are concerning. So make sure that those whoever comes to you goes with a smiling face. Your one suggestion can change an entire life, not only of that single person, only of that single patient, but about entire family to whom you are guiding. Right? They'll only follow your steps, they'll only follow your instructions. This institution welcomes all the students, those who are there, your first year, first day in this institution. We welcome with our whole heart. To the parents, we are giving a commitment that we will put our 100% efforts. We won't only make them doctors, but we will make them doctors who will gain the respect in this society. That's why we are Noble Group of Institutions, and that's why we are working for our best to make our students the best of their ability and come in this society. Make sure that the profession that you have chosen, it's a very noble profession. You keep the dignity of this profession. This is not just an apron, once again I am repeating, that you are weighing on your shoulder. It's a responsibility.